Let's clean this Maytag top load washer with bleach to keep it soil and odor free. We'll follow the washer maintenance and care guide that recommends cleaning once a month or every 30 wash cycles. Maytag recommends cleaning with A-Fresh, but we'll use the alternate option, bleach. First, open the lid. Next, pour 1 cup of bleach into the bleach dispenser. Using more than 1 cup could damage the washer. Then close the lid. Turn on power. Select the clean washer cycle. For best results, do not interrupt the cycle. Start the cycle. Water will fill to a high level to provide cleaning and rinsing above the normal water line. During the wash and rinse cycles, there will be agitation and spinning. After the cycle completes, open the lid, remove and wash the detergent dispenser, and wipe the bleach dispenser. Leave the lid open to air dry the washer drum. Finally, regularly wash with hot water to help minimize soil and detergent buildup.